Ndewonu, Igbo ndị ọma ndị nkem. Hello, my amazing Igbo language learners. How are you all doing? So, our Igbo word or phrase for today is Enenebe eje oru. Enenebe eje oru. Enenebe eje oru. Na mkpobiri a, just in short, you can say Enenewe eje oru. Enenewe eje oru. Let's say it for the last time. Enenebe eje oru na Enenewe eje oru is just a flattering name that Igbo men use to compliment their woman, describing how beautiful, stunningly beautiful and majestic a woman looks, that the man can just be staring at the woman for the whole day without going to work. That is what it means. Staring at beauty without going to work. But it just describes how majestic and beautiful a woman is. Igbo men use it to flatter and compliment their women. For example, the words you have learnt in the past days, like nwaanyị ọma, anyanwụ ụtụtụ, Enenewe eje olu, all those words. In a sentence, you can say nwaanyị nke a bụ Enenewe eje oru. The man can say that. So, I hope you've learned something new today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tomorrow, I'll bring you another word. See you tomorrow. Kemesia.